Welcome back. I'm Pragya Mishra and I'm the AVP of Customer Success and Operations at Courseplay. Courseplay is a 360-degree employee growth platform. We have Surbhi Diwan. Surbhi is a seasoned HR leader with 20 years of experience scaling businesses and driving employee success across diverse industries. She is currently associated with Ashiana Housing Limited as the Vice President of HR. Hi, Surbhi. Welcome to today's talk. Thank you so much for being with us.
Hi, Pragya. Thank you so much and appreciate the opportunity given by Courseplay. Look forward to the interaction.
How do you feel digital platforms and tools enhance mentorship and coaching experiences? And then how do they make them more accessible for effectiveness for employees?
So first and foremost, one thing is very clear, and that's something that we've learned during the COVID era. And everybody's had that experience, first-hand experience for that matter. We learned how to work with technology and 100% remote working, which was limited to a few industries. But then we adapted to the different and changing times. So essentially, that brings me to the thought process that digital platforms definitely help break down geographical barriers. That's a given. So a mentor could be in a different city, the mentee could be in a different city. You could use Microsoft Teams, you could use Zoom or any other platform in order to have that interaction, that FaceTime, which would be important. Otherwise, having a face to the name is going to be important. So that's the first piece. It also allows for connectivity, a seamless connectivity, which is possible in today's date, even in the most remotest of areas in the world, thanks to the Internet of Things. Everybody is connected. So these platforms help in real-time collaboration. They also help in knowledge sharing. Sessions can be scheduled. There is going to be structure. There are multiple tools that are available, all the way from Slack to Trello, performance management, tracking, multiple things that can be done. We can even look at technology helping us all the way from getting our NPS surveys through SurveyMonkey or Google Forms, which has been, an erstwhile piece now. Whenever we want to capture information, it's a Google form that we started with, and we've got multiple options in today's date to collaborate, to calibrate work. If I've been working on a Google Sheet, I can pick up who worked on it, when was the last edit done. So technology helps us work in a lot more transparent manner too. But at the same time, I feel one thing that we need to be cognizant of is we can't replicate it across industry. For example, if I were to use any of these bots or AI bots to capture feedback, there are still some stratas of our employee bases who do not use smartphones. They're still using feature phone. So as an organization, when I need to choose technology, I'll need to be cognizant of making sure that I have technology which is available across the different layers in the organization. Not say that this particular class is going to be able to use this because they're going to be able to access it through a smartphone. I would not want to, keep others devoid of technology or not leverage technology because they don't have the capability to access it. So that's one thing that I would like to keep in mind. However, I think technology also allows for asynchronous connect and learning. So that's one thing which I would like to foster and give advice for. We can do a lot through technology, but it's just that we need to be thoughtful of how these advancements are going to help us, what is going to make sense for my organization. If another organization is doing it, it's not essential that I need to replicate it. So there are budgets, there are end user cases that I need to consider while adapting and deploying technology. It's definitely a help. These advancements have helped us, make data a lot more accessible. Conversations are not dependent on time zones. So a lot more efficiency and productivity can be achieved through this. That's where I would keep it.